Wind blowing too.
The last couple of weeks I've been with you.
Wish I could go up north.
Wow, man.
Light in the background.
You don't get struck by lightning.
Yeah. I don't know.
I love it.
Yeah.
Listen, my little grandson is a meteorologist, he thinks, so
Huh?
he'll keep us informed. Like old school radio. What's up?
Get paid for it, you're going to see it.
I got
Yeah.
the window up.
Yeah, I'm not sure.
I got in there.
Then I had a light a cigarette too.
Oh, yeah.
I need another beer.
Oh, you bet. No. I do too.
If Coyote's got the,
Joyce, I'm serious about the house, so
You know anything around electrical work? That's the only thing I've been around Sky. Like lightning. It was. It looked like it was. Yeah, it was lightning right there.
it's definitely on us. Huh.
Okay,
I don't know
I
why
gotta get.
these dumbasses gotta stop on the side of the road. I know, look at them.
They were parked down this dirt road.
And they ain't got their fucking license.
Listen, I gotta put my glasses up. Can't see.
this came, they had left. They go, 97. I was like, what the fuck? My wife was like, you're going to love it. I was left, and she was all fucking late. I was like, I'm on it.
Well, was.
Cold.
Yeah, it rained a little chilly.
That wind.
I can honestly say I hadn't really watched a fireworks storm and a thunderstorm before.
It's the wind. It's cold.
Hey, we can get under the barn.
We're gonna get blown away.
We ain't.
Oklahoma, yeah.
Yeah.
Oklahoma is like hot.
Ah.
Yep, he took off.
Yeah. Oh shit.
Raincoat's gonna hurt you about 50 miles an hour.
Yeah. Yeah, they do. Bam! Oh shit. It'll pass. I can't right
Yeah,
now.
turn the air conditioner on. Fuck it. We're just sitting here and let it run, dude. It's gonna go away. I'm having a great time.
Bar.
You see that woman over there showed up in that expedition?
Yeah.
She'll give you some pussy.
Oh,
She was looking at you.
I watched it.
Yes, she was. Yes, she was. Let Johnny.
John's in his car.
What's that voice?
The fireworks.
No.
The grand.
Is that hell hitting you? John said he'll see us in the morning.
We still got a lot. We got coolers and shit behind us.
Well, okay. We'll just stay right here.
Oh yeah, we're just gonna sit here.
What are we gonna